So there it is, as you can see. There's our channels. We're going to improve these channels straight away because they're giving up a lot of area in the port, and obviously this thin cross section through here, we want to improve that section. So I'm going to increase these channels, thin that divider, the separator, the guide separator, so sharpen it up a little bit. And also between here, as you can see, we've got a fair bit of room. We can open up there. We can move these walls over a little bit. The throat and the seat area clearly needs some work, as you can see there. It's got a horrible transition from the factory. Even the short turn, as you can see there, not real great. But yeah, and this little void section in the middle. Injector area looks okay. I don't like to make that any bigger, but yeah. So anyway, there's the port mould. Come out all right.